Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. In today's video, we're going to show you one of the weirdest driving test center and probably one of the hardest exit and entrance to the driving test center as well. Before we get into it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Here we are at Yeading Driving Test Center in West London. So let's just show you the layout of the driving test center. You'll be parked in the center. Here we go. There's about space for about 2 to 3 cars. Due to COVID, they separate you guys out, so only 2 cars here, as you can see. You can see quite a lot of stop signs, no entry signs here. As we turn around, we'll show you the entrance and the exit. There's the exit on the left, and this is the entrance through the right, sorry, on the right. So anyway, as you get into the test center, you park in the center as we showed you. You can see HGV vehicles test going on as well. That's probably one of the reasons why it's slightly unusual. You can see an examiner with a yellow bib actually doing the test on the HGV vehicle. So anyway, and look, there's so many yellow boxes, stop signs, no entry. What do you do if this is your first time? Well, we're going to show you. You're going to park inside, you're going to come out, and you're going to turn to the right. The examiner's going to tell you to turn to the right, and then you're just going to go down this straight long road. Let me just show you. You got the learners going through, and it goes all the way around towards the right, back around, and a bit like a U shape. So like the students indicating, you can just about see the indicator, but it follows around anyway. And the HGV vehicles doing this test on the left, and they're gonna come around this long stretch of road through this no entry road. So there's a learner coming through, come through this no entry part of the road, and then just literally exit out. So we've wasted about a good 2 to 3 minutes. And they're gonna come out for this exit here. It's quite tight here. There's a learner going through, windows down, don't forget when you're doing a COVID test. And there you have it. Very unusual driving test center. Now let's just show you how difficult it is once you're out the driving test center. So as you come out the test center, you immediately deal with a mini roundabout where you turn right, this mini roundabout in the middle. You come up to this slightly small road, and as you drive forward, you can only turn left, as you can see by the road sign. You're going to have to deal with a lot of road users, as it's a quite important location here. You can see a learner coach driver, you got learner lorry drivers, HGV drivers doing the test, as we've seen it already. But the reason why it's really difficult in this situation, you have this massive roundabout that you have to deal with once you get onto the road, and it's really close. So imagine you're taking the third exit, you have to somehow immediately go to the far right lane. It's not controlled by traffic lights, so a lot more difficult, and compared to other like big roundabouts where they may have traffic lights, therefore the right will be stopped. Here's the bus coming, the coach coming through. Maybe they're learning, or maybe they're doing their test, who knows. You can see a car park on the far right, B&Q car park, and there's a big roundabout. Look, we're already quite busy on the roundabout, as you can see, quite busy. Imagine dealing with that. That's the reason why it's one of the hardest test centers entrances as you come out, or exits as you come out. So you're forced to do a huge roundabout in the first minute. The first few minutes you might be extremely nervous, so you don't really want to deal with that in the first few minutes, but tough luck. In this test center you have to. Let me know about your experiences. If there's a lorry coming us through. If there's any test center in your area that you think is harder than this, comment below, let me know, send me a video in, and I'll post it up. I'll try to talk about it. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. This is Yeading Driving Test Center, one of the weirdest test center, as well as one of the hardest from my point of view as a driving instructor. Thank you for watching again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.